loves, welcome back to another video. This one's really exciting for me because it's like home DIY decor and stuff like that all bunched into one. So this is from Hibbent, Hibbent. It is all metal. It is a dual filtered rainfall shower head combo, which definitely has high pressure handheld, which you'll see later. The shower head is with a 12-inch adjustable curved extension arm, which you'll see also in a minute. And it has 20-stage shower filters. I'm so excited, you guys. Can you see all these little cool gadgets here? My brother's helping me put it together, by the way. 10 spray, 71-inch hose, and it is in matte and black. Look at that. Oh, I love it because one, it's a filter. So it's going to be a lot more better for your skin or healthier for your skin than just the regular water. It has 20 stages of powerful water filtration. As you can see here, this is my brother just attaching a lot of stuff. Shout out to my big brother. Thank you for helping me. That is how you'll be able to move the curve handle up and down to adjust it to your height. I'm very short, so we'll need it to be low, or just to adjust it to whatever level or aesthetic that you want it to be. It doesn't have to be just for your height. Here, I'm just showing you that a washer needs to go in there. The other part, a washer already has, but this one doesn't. So you put a washer in there. I learned that word from my brother. And then that's the filter part that he's screwing in right now. Well, attempting to. As you can see, all of this can move, which is cool because then it's like very customizable to, you know, your shower, which I love. I love anything that can be customizable. So there's the filter in there, and there's also a filter in the handheld part that you'll see in a minute. And compared to other showers, the part that you just saw, which is the arm extender, I love the fact that it can really move up or down. That was super fun, and you'll see him put that arm extender on right now. This is tape. He told me about this. This is to make sure like the water, like extra protection so that the water doesn't like come out. I don't know if you could tell from my voice, but honestly, this was such an exciting thing to do. Does that mean I'm getting old, you guys? But here's the arm extender. He's just showing you how you can adjust it up or down by that little knob there. It's kind of like a tripod, honestly, the way it works. Pretty cool. I also love that it's curved and it's not straight, you know. This is where you can change the water from the shower head or to the shower handle. And this is him attaching like the shower head part. Okay, this is him attaching the hose part. And yay, it's all done. Oh my goodness. Excuse my dog in the background. Oh, I love it. I added the eucalyptus to be bougie, you know, decorated and everything. And we're turning the water on. It was so nice. It definitely did feel like a rainfall, you guys. Let's just enjoy how beautiful this looks. I couldn't wait to get in the showers the next day. I'm in the shower now, and I just wanted to show you how I tilt it to fit my height and to where I want the water to hit me. So that was like really exciting. The pressure was amazing. I really loved the pressure. It just felt good. I just had to like wash my hair a little bit longer, especially knowing that the water's filtered, so it's going to be better for my hair, especially that I have seborrheic dermatitis. So it's similar to psoriasis in that I have like very irritated skin. So to be able to just have that extra feeling of like security in the shower, knowing that I'm not damaging my hair with the water, it was like just another part to it that just made me like really, really happy. Because it is for hair repair and for protecting your skin and for stronger nails. You would be surprised what water can do to you. Okay, so as you saw on a clip earlier, I just switched it to the handheld part. There's 10 high pressure spray settings. They are water saving mist, powerful massage, rain, pulsating massage, soft drench spray, wide fan, and rain and massage. So that's all of them. The wide fan was like super strong, and it comes from a different part of the handle, by the way, which I thought was interesting. It definitely surprised me when I turned the water on. Alright, you guys, I hope that you loved this video and that you definitely update your bathroom with this amazing shower head, because I'm telling you, it's great, the filter and everything. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Besos!